Hi guys! Today we are going to remember a place that you have visited. It could be a pizza shop, a restaurant, a bakery, a cafeteria, an ice cream shop, or any place that you have visited so that you eat there. Okay, so let's remember, and you are going to remember what you did there. Okay, so first of all, so that you remember a place like that, we are going to describe it. So what do you call the thing that you describe, the place that you describe? It's a review. Okay, so the review, first of all, a review, it's a writing where you describe. It could be a place, it could be a book that you have read, it could be also a program that you have watched. For example, some of you have watched MasterChef program, so you can describe it as well. Okay, so that you can make a review writing, first of all, we have to write a title. It's like an article. Okay, so you should make up a hooked title. Okay, in this case, I'm gonna give you an example. A yummy taste. Yes, that is my title. Okay, so let's make an introduction about this place. In the first paragraph is the introduction. So in the introductions, as always I say to you, it's a general idea about the topic. In this case, I'm gonna describe the place that I have visited. Here is the example. While entering to the Pizza El Hornero, you can smell a yummy cheese and tomato mix with a comfortable atmosphere. So you are describing a general idea, and obviously you are going to start in present simple. Okay? So we are going to follow the ideas in paragraph 2. Yes, so here I'm gonna describe the place inside. Okay, so here I have an example. It's bright and spacious place with sociable waiters or waitress. Okay, because the atmosphere was wonderful, with a lot of things to do there, and also many kids can go there because there are play games or something like that. Okay, so you are describing what you have inside. Okay, so in the next paragraph 3, we are going to describe your visit. Here you are going to remember what you did, what you ate, or you are going to describe your experience. Okay, let's see here. I have an example. I wanted to try baked eggplant, so I ate this delicious dish which has vegetables with a lot of cheese. Okay, so I really love it, or something like that. So I'm describing my experience. Okay, so here you have two options, guys. You can make one paragraph, or you can divide into 2 paragraphs. Okay, so here you are going to describe your experience, and also you can add another paragraph with the service. Okay, with the service. For example, you say, the waitress were excellent because they were very kind, so that's why I gave them a tip. Okay, so that is the service. You are talking about the service here in this paragraph. In the last paragraph and the fourth paragraph, you are going to make a recommendations. And remember that is the conclusion, that is the end idea, okay? So you're going to add the recommendations as well. For example, my family and I really enjoyed our meal, so I recommend it because it has different or several dishes or meals that you can order, and that's why I recommend it. Or why don't you go there as soon as possible, so don't miss it because it is excellent service or it has excellent service. So you are giving recommendations at the end, okay? So let's review again about the review writing. So first of all, what you're going to realize about this review writing is that it's informal. Okay, it's informal. Also, it has a title. Yes, and if you notice here, you have present tense, but remember, you can mix them up. Why? Because you can write the present tense just in the first paragraph. It means in the introduction. Okay, here you can write present tense, and also you're going to write past simple, or present perfect. Okay, so present perfect also, it's very useful here in this kind of writing. Okay, another thing is that you have to divide. You're gonna divide into 4 or 5 paragraphs. Okay, so those are the plans that you are going to use here. Here you have the paragraphs, so let's remember the format. As always, we have practiced in class, guys. And that's all for today, guys. I wish you have understood about the review. It's very easy. It's like an article, with the difference that you are describing a place that you have visited or you have read or something like that. Here in the book, we are going to identify some vocabulary words that it's very useful for your writing. Okay, so here you have an exercise 7. Here you're going to use the words in parentheses like Y, F, and also F or R. R means restaurant, Y, waiters, and F for food. So here you have different kinds of vocabulary. It's very useful. You have used it in countable and non-countable nouns. So you're going to remember them and you can use them, okay, in your writing. That's all for today, guys. Bye.